Every day we hear about a new AI tool. Sometimes ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, CapCut, and dozen more, right? Now everyone says that AI will change your life, but when you actually try to use them, you end up more confused than before, right? This might be happening with many of you, right? Now, which tool to use or how do I start? I completely get it because I was once exactly where you are. And that's why today I'm going to share something very special with you, a complete system that show you how to use AI tools smartly to build your digital coaching business from home. So stay with me till the end because there is a Diwali surprise you really don't want to miss. So just stay till the end. You might have watched in most of the YouTube videos that AI isn't just about the fancy tech or the robots. It's about making your work faster, smarter, and easier. And that's exactly how I built my business by combining human creativity with AI efficiency. So I stopped wasting time doing everything manually. Instead, I let AI handle the content creation, the ideas, the marketing post, and even the course planning is handled by the AI. Now, while I focus on what truly matters, that is on coaching and connection. Now, if you are tired of trying random tools or the strategies and not seeing any results, it's not your fault. You just need a clear roadmap to connect everything together, and that's exactly what I have created for you. Hi, I'm Monica Sharma, a digital content development coach, and I help women, homemakers, and the professionals to turn their skills and passion into a profitable online coaching business using AI. Over the years, I've taught thousands of learners how to start from zero, no tech background, no marketing degree, and build a real digital income from home step by step. And now I want to help you do the same. So, let me tell you exactly what you will learn inside my step-by-step system. So you're gonna learn you're gonna learn about the profitable niche selection. You're gonna learn how you can find out what you are good at and turn it into a business idea the people actually pay for. Because let me tell you that most of the time, many people, approximately more than 80% of the people, fail to understand that what they are good at. We are generally good at something, but we generally run behind something else which others are following. So you need to first understand what you are good at, what is your passion, that select that niche because that will be profitable for you. So I'll help you to find it out that thing. Second is the brand development. Now, in this, you're going to build your unique identity and the online presence that attracts your dream clients. Okay, so I'm going to teach you that. Third, you're going to learn the AI and the digital marketing. You're going to learn using the tools like ChatGPT, Canva, others to create uh, post, captions, emails. You're going to automate your marketing in just minutes. And next is you're going to build the confidence. You're going to overcome the camera fear, the boost self-belief and speak like a pro. Okay, so that's my promise to you. You're going to do that. And next is you're going to learn to plan, write, and record your own course content like a professional course. So you're going to learn the course creation and the script writing also. Also, you're going to learn the video recording and the sales page creation. Okay, so I'm going to help you learn how you can create a powerful videos and a high converting sales pages without hiring any expensive designers for it. Also, you're going to set up the income streams that work 24 into 7 even while you sleep or spend time with your family. Okay, so basically passive income system will be generated after completing this course. So this isn't just about learning tools, it's about building a complete business that gives you the freedom, confidence and the income, right? So what's the best part about it, right? That's what we need it, all of us, right? Now the women who joined my courses earlier are now earning from home. They are teaching online, they are creating digital products and balancing family life beautifully. They all started confused exactly like you. But once they followed the system, everything just clicked. Because AI doesn't replace your talent, it amplifies it. Okay, that's what I wanted to say. And When you pair your passion with the right system, your business starts to grow effortlessly. So, since you stay now till the end, because we are at the end of this video, I'm super excited to announce you my Diwali surprise. So this week only, the surprise will be valid. Okay, so for this week, you are not just getting just one course, not even just the two courses, but a bundle of 7 powerful courses that will help you set up your digital coaching business from the comfort of your home. Okay, and you're gonna start earning passive income within few days. So all the 7 courses covering everything I just shared, whatever details in this particular video, is just, you are getting it at just rupees 499. Yes, just 499, less than the cost of the coffee outing. And this special festive offer is valid only till 26 October 2025. Okay, so till end of this week only, because it's a festive offer. Otherwise, the price or actual price of this entire bundle is way beyond that, 80,000 plus. So just click the link mentioned below this video and enroll right now to grab your Diwali bundle offer before it is gone. Alright, so this Diwali, just don't decorate your home, just decorate your future, your passion. Alright, so invest in yourself, learn the skills that create freedom, and build a business that makes you proud every single day. So I can't wait to see you inside the course and celebrate your success story next. Happy Diwali, happy learning.